And syempre, asahan namin kayo sa ng tulong nyo para ma-promote pa on October 31. Tama? Tama. October 31, walang pasok. Dahil kailangan namin ang tulong ninyo para maging international na ang Philippine cinema at maging international actress and star na ang The Asian Standard of Beauty, Philippine sweetheart, Erich Gonzalez, and Mario's first Filipina sweetheart.
Very well said, contestant. So much. Sir Enrico, grabe. Uy, sobrang thank you po talaga. Had so much fun tonight with you guys. And sana talaga, hindi pa ito ang last. Marami pang susunod. And yun, just thank you talaga for being here. And sana you guys can help us para malaman ng ibang tao na parang ganitong movie at marami pong makapanood. Maraming salamat. Saya. Thank you.
Okay, maraming salamat po. Okay po, ulit. So, for those who want, official Facebook po ni Mario is Super Mario Natics. That's on Facebook. And official Facebook ng Suddenly It's Magic. It's Suddenly It's Magic 2012 movie. And visit starcinema.com.ph. So, maraming salamat
and
po.
And sabi ni Mac Merla, meron daw cupcakes para sa inyo.
Cupcakes para sa lahat. And Instagram
75